This is my Tupperware rice cooker. Bought it for $35. So you just microwave it for 10 minutes. Here it is. Let's open it. Purple cabbage microwave rice maker, large, 3 liters. Okay, so that's the one. That's what it looks like. This is the lid. Sorry, that's not the lid. That's the lid. So you put rice in there, just the same amount. Put that one on. Put that one on. Put that one on. And microwave for 10 minutes. So this is the instructions and the cooking time. This here is special. You can also cook couscous, polenta, and bulgur. Okay, beautiful. Let's try it. Make sure you wash it first before you use. Oh my god, too much. Click the sides here. Hot. Voila! Perfect rice.